If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2502 or 2503, don't worry, this is usually a Windows permissions issue and it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to give the temp folder the proper permissions so the Epic Games launcher can install correctly again. This is a simple fix, and you do not need to reinstall Windows or try any complicated repair tools. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open File Explorer on your Windows PC, then go to this path, c:\users/appdata/local. Inside that folder, look for the temp folder. If you do not immediately see app data, it may be hidden, so make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Once you find the temp folder, right-click it and choose Properties. Now in the Properties window, go to the Security tab and then click Advanced. This is where we can take control of the permissions that are blocking Epic Games from finishing the install. In the Advanced Security Settings window, look for the Owner section near the top and click Change. A box will appear where you can type a new owner name. Type Everyone, then click Check Names. If Windows recognizes it, click OK to confirm. After that, you should see the owner updated. Next, check the box that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. This step is important because it applies the permission change to everything inside the temp folder as well. Then click Apply. Windows may take a moment to process the change, so give it a few seconds. Once that is done, go back to the Security tab if needed and click Add. In the permission window, type Everyone again and confirm it. Then give that group full control by checking the Full Control box. This allows the installer to write the files it needs without getting blocked by a Windows. After that, click Apply and then OK to save everything. Now close out of the folder windows and try installing the Epic Games launcher again. In many cases, this immediately resolves error code 2502 or 2503 because the installer finally has the access it needs to run properly. If it still fails, restart your computer once and run the installer again as administrator. But in most situations, fixing the temp folder permissions is the key step. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Epic Games error code 2502 by updating the Windows Temp folder permissions. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful PC fixes, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides for Epic Games and Windows errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.